How you doing, Obi? Are you getting cold? Huh? Are you getting cold? We're almost home. Got about another kilometer. So one of the jobs of the director is to assess the safety of the campus and road conditions when it's snowing. And it started snowing today about 11 a.m. and so we've been monitoring road conditions today. And now I'm here at campus. The facilities manager and I come in the evenings and we look at pathways to see if they're safe for walking. We're also looking at the trees to make sure that the snow is not too heavy, and are there any branches that look like they might be dangerous? If so, then we make sure that community members are not walking underneath. And then we're also monitoring the electricity and the heating and everything. As of this time, about 9:30, everything seems to be going well. So if we had to make the call right now, we would have school as scheduled tomorrow, and we will make a decision tomorrow morning. 5:15 a.m. is when we meet, and we'll see what the conditions are to make sure everybody's informed so they can get to school here safely. And that's about it. It's a beautiful, beautiful evening. If you look at this, it's nice and quiet with the snow and the trees. It's actually kind of nice. Thank you.